Stacey, great to have you with us. I feel like we've had a lot of different data points from various chip makers so far. Are there sort of any linchpins in earnings season in your coverage universe that you'll be really listening to in terms of setting the stage for a real semi rebound?
Yeah, I mean, right now there is some macro weakness, which is well known. Micron pointed some of this out. Maybe the things that are in the consumer space, consumer PCs, smartphones, especially like Android smartphones in China have been very weak. Televisions, those kinds of things have been weak. Enterprise spending in data center has still been pretty strong, although many investors are worried that that's sort of the next shoe to drop. But as at this point, still seems pretty good. Automotive has been very strong, although there's some concerns about sustainability. But at this point, there are still shortages in that space. Auto's strong. And so people are going to be looking at least at the consumer side and see what some of those players say. And then we'll see how it maybe propagates or not, like through the rest of the space as we get through earnings season. Is
it your sense, Stacey, that a lot of estimates will have to come down during this earnings season for your space?
You know what? I think investors want to see estimates come down. So, if you look at the space, the sector is down 35 or 40%, like since the beginning of the year, since the peaks at the beginning of the year. It's all multiple at this point. The multiples have come down 35 or 40%. And one silver lining is if you look at prior cycles, the typical peak to trough multiple compression is about a third. It's 30, 35%. So we're at that much or maybe even a little more than we typically see. What investors are broadly looking for are earnings revisions. And in fact, look at Micron. Micron earnings revision, the earnings got cut in half. The stock today is higher than it was the day before they reported because they took a nice big whack to those numbers and investors can maybe get a little more comfortable that maybe the bottom is in. This is normal behavior. Multiples come down, then investors look for earnings to come down, and maybe they feel a little more comfortable once they feel like the bottom is in. As it turns out, typically the best time to buy the stocks is after numbers start coming down, but maybe if you could be perfect about it, about 3 months before the estimates bottom. So that's the best time. The worst time usually is right when numbers come down, which is why investors want to see cuts, but they typically don't want to do anything until they see the cut. So that's where we are right now.
Yeah, and Stacey, Courtney here, but I do have a question. When it comes to our semis, I think one of the things that we're looking at, too, is inventory seem to be picking up, which really could be a question of if we're seeing demand start to deteriorate. I think the question is how much of that is already priced in? Is that something that you have a concern about?
I do. So, we started turning cautious in September. I started downgrading stocks. And by the way, in hindsight, I should have downgraded a few more of them, as it turns out. But that was actually my worry back then. It wasn't even so much macro or anything else. It was inventories and double ordering and apparent overshipping of semiconductors relative to their end markets. And again, across a wide variety of end markets, PCs, automotive, industrial. When you look at the semi shipments versus the end markets, there is a very sizable gap, and it's been there for quite a while. And so even though demand has been so strong, we still don't really know how much of that demand has been real and how much of it is phantom. And we will not know that until lead times pull back and until supply and demand kind of normalizes, and then we see where things settle out. But it's certainly on investors' minds. And now, again, you have potential macro issues that are on top of that. And this is, again, is why the multiples have pulled back in. Investors don't believe the earnings estimates as they stand right now because of those worries.
All right, Stacey, thanks. And your top pick is Broadcom. We appreciate your time.